Hi guys, I just want to show you what I got today. I just received this today from my mailbox. So it's a Lancer Turbo 124 kit. It's made by Aoshima Beemax in Macau. I think it's a collaboration with Aoshima in Japan. I had ordered this kit for almost a month. I ordered it from Hobby Easy, Hong Kong. It cost me about 260 Hong Kong dollars, something like that. And the waiting time was, like almost a month, yeah. So I would like to show you what's inside the kit, okay? As you know, I'm an avid fan of A175A Lancer Turbo. You've seen my videos, I have a real car back in the Philippines, which I kind of drive when I go home once in a while, you know. And I've been waiting for this kit for a while because I was told that the kit shows a lot of almost real details of how this rally car was illustrated. So yes, I would like to show you what's inside here. It's pretty interesting. So I was just looking into it a while ago, and I saw that the body shell, it's really the iconic Lancer Boxtype body shell. Yeah, it's A175 or A174, A173 body here, you can see. Yeah. And you have the dashboard in here. It's right-hand drive though. And you have the grill, the dashboard, the exhaust. Looks like a Fujitsu layout exhaust. You can see the bend. And you have the, I don't know, it's like a sump guard or something. You have the wiper, you have the, it looks like a front suspension here. All you have to paint them to make it really detailed, you know. So you have to paint them all to make it like in good detail for when you're building this kit, okay? And here you have the flooring with the transmission channel here. Look at that. You know, let's see. It's all in black, so you really have to paint them to get the detail. You have the sidings, the door sidings, racing seats, racing bucket seats. I think this is the ducktail. Wow, you see, you can also have the ducktail just like the real thing. And all these parts here, you know, it's like they even have the side pockets of the sidings here. It's like the real thing, very authentic. Okay, and here you have the steering wheel, the disc brakes, the cross member, the differential, and this part here, the roll cage. And this is the, I think this is the transmission, and this is the differential shaft. Yeah. Yes, and this is the like the, what's that? The tie rod and steering, whatever link. I forgot. Okay. Go. And this is the rims. It looks like an Advan ARZ to me, just like the one I have on my real car. But this is, you have to paint this in silver to look like the Advan ARZ. It is an Advan ARZ type of rim style. Tires, looks like the tarmac rally tires here. The decals, you got all the library on this decal. You got Yokohama, Rally Art, Gab, PIAA, and Lombard Rally, which is, I guess this car was raced in Lombard Rally back then. I'm not sure this is a Group B car or or it's just a Group A rally car. I'm not really sure how they call this car back then, but it looks like this is what, the 1800. This is not the 2006 unit. Okay. So you got all the window stuff. You got the windshield, and you got the door glass there, and you got the headlights, tail lights, all in this kit in here, and you got the lens for your fog lamps, all in here. You never know, it may have the turbo lens as well. I just have to find it. Okay. Let's see what's in here. The chrome reflectors inside your lamps, it has those as well. The fog lamps casing, yeah. Sorry, fog lamp casing, yeah. Of course, the GT bumpers, you see those? Very detailed GT bumper. See, yeah. And the rear bumper, there. Rear bumper. And I don't know what are those other stuff. I have to check on the list here. Here you go. The library. It's good. Registration. Very cool illustration here. Yeah. And of course, the instruction manual. How you build them. Yep. Let me see. See it up. It's one of those. Okay. So, yeah, it's a very interesting kit. I'm sure all the Lancer Boxtype fans would love to have this kit. I'm looking into probably I would like to get 3 of these maybe later on if they get cheaper and they make them into different library. Probably I'll make this one as the original library on this kit, but the others I'll probably make it like maybe one similar with my project car and one, you know, and then yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay. So as of now, I won't build it. I'll just keep it for now because when I have time, I'll try building it and show to you the video on building this kit. But later on, I'll just keep it for now. Just like my Evo 5 is still in here. No, just keep it. When I have time, I'll do it. So I only like to build smaller kits, you know, because they're easy. But this one, I have to focus on. So anyway, thank you for watching. Please subscribe on my Retro-bution page. For all the Lancer Boxtype fans, please hit some like on my Retro-bution page. And I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.